Please stay.
Good afternoon. Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
please stay. Please introduce yourself.
Sir,
Suprabhat.
my name is Suprabhat Malik. I am from Kendrapada district. I have completed my BTech in 2012 from Nalanda Institute of Technology, and presently I am working in Indian Railways as a senior section engineer. And during my work, I have been awarded 2 times by the department for my exceptional work, and I have chosen psychology as my optional subject.
But you have not written here, na? ठीक है. Psychology.
Yes, sir.
You have not written your biodata form. Okay, sir. Pachand. So, Suprabhat, what is the meaning of Suprabhat?
This is a greeting, sir. We
Okay.
usually do in morning.
Okay, Suprabhat. So, Suprabhat, why from engineering to administration?
Sir, actually, I have been working since 10 years.
10 years, okay.
Yes, sir. So I gradually realized that my job is very monotonous and doesn't provide diverse work field.
Okay,
So I want to switch to administrative field.
okay. Suppose you are posted as, uh, for example, OES. Then how it will be like, give you more directions, more perspective.
Okay, sir. Odisha Employment Service is the need of the hour, I believe, because unemployment is the root cause of any problem in any state. So I can utilize my skill in skill development and also help in policy development, which can enhance the skill of the students to work in the engineering field or any other field that will be assigned to me.
So you want to watch movies. What kind of movies you are interested to?
In my free time, I watch any kind of movies, sir.
Any kind of movies. That is no, no specifications.
No, sir.
Okay. And do moderate exercise. What do you know moderate exercise?
I do not exercise to build body, but to stay only fit. That is walking or stretching.
Okay. Daily you are doing that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And last question. Your preference from a preference. So you have chosen OS, then ORS.
Yes.
Why don't you choose OFS as second option?
I'm not interested in desk job, sir, as OS and ORS are field job.
Okay,
And,
so you want a field job
yes, sir.
where you can, work for the.
people.
Okay, very good. So, like you have done your BTech, again diploma,
Yes, sir.
PCBM plus two, then
Yes, sir.
diploma, then BTech.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. DRM award in 2018.
Yes, sir.
For what?
For quickness at the work, there was a mishap of derailment, and I was present in the night shift.
Okay.
I quickly act by the instruction of administration and derail the train in Manchester workshop.
Okay. Good. So why psychology? Like psychology, how come psychology will help you in administration?
Psychology helps to understand people's feeling and also uh, is useful to maintain your own peace of mind and understand overall group thing. So I think that will be very much helpful in administration.
So you are from Kendrapada.
Yes, sir.
And cyclone and all is very common for Kendrapada.
Right, sir.
Suppose you are an administrator in Kendrapada and you have a challenge like when cyclone is there and people are not ready because just one cyclone already there. Again, it's upcoming another cyclone is there and people are not ready to leave their home, moving to the shelter house and all. As an administrator, how will manage that situation? Again, there is much less staff, subordinate staffs. Who are there to support you. So you have a shortage of staffs. People are not much cooperative, and you have a situation like do or die. Need to ship those to the shelter house. And in that particular dilemma, how will manage the situation?
Okay, sir. In such kind of situation, we can adopt two things. One is community involvement. Another one will be forceful evacuation.
Okay,
In
but forceful
community-
evacuation, for that you should have staffs in your hand.
Right, sir.
You don't have staffs.
Then in that case, only things left is community engagement.
Okay, very good.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Sir, over to you.
Okay, so Prabhat, you have given that your hobby is to see the movie.
Sir.
So definitely better because we have that practice from our childhood. So can you give me the first Odia movie in Odisha?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the first Odia movie?
Can I take a second, sir?
Huh?
Can I take a second, sir?
Okay.
I think it's Sita Vivah.
Which year? Very good. Which year?
1960s, I think. No, sir. It's 1936 when Odisha became.
Always you correlated.
Sir.
Odisha as a separate state,
Yes, yes,
1936,
yes, sir.
and the first Odia film was also Sita Vivaha in
Sita
96.
Vivaha, yes,
Who is
sir.
the father? The Odia movie.
Sorry, sir, I don't remember that.
He was the director of the Sita Vivaha.
Okay, sir. Goswami, sir.
Huh?
Dev Goswami, sir.
Dev Goswami Mohan.
Mohan Dev Goswami, sir.
Mohan Dev Shankar Dev Goswami.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I forgot, sir.
Anyway, thank you. What is the first picture in Hindi movie?
Raja Harishchandra.
Yes. Who is that director and producer of that movie?
No idea, sir.
What is the highest award in the Hindi film award? What is the highest award?
National award, sir.
What is that? Name of the award is what? Dada Saheb
Dada Saheb
Phalke
Phalke.
Award. He is the
Yes, sir.
origin of that.
You need to remember all those things because you have written a movie.
Okay, sir.
Second question is, as a student of psychology, your work is very valuable because of the educational counseling and vocational guidance.
Right, sir.
So how will you utilize your subject among the people?
There are many techniques in psychology that is one we can use as cognitive behavior theory, which was given by Aaron T. Beck, which emphasizes that changing the thinking pattern. If someone is suicidal, a student is suicidal, he might say that no one
Counseling.
loves me. We can ask them, does anyone help you in any field? If he says yes, then we can say that that person loves you.
It's a very good attempt. But the main burning topic is the school dropping. You have, if you have no education, you are no more. How to check the dropping of the students from the school, and how as a psychology student or the psychology as a subject, how will help them? They will not allow, or you will counsel the people, they will not drop their students in the school level, school education.
Okay.
How?
First one, we can utilize is we can utilize a role model theory, that we can show them that in their community, someone who is successful by education, we can show them that that person is having a good career by educating themselves. So you
କାହାକୁ କହିବେ? To whom you will tell?
will have a counseling session in
କାହାକୁ କରିବେ? ସେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ
in community, sir. Parents.
ଛୋଟ ସ୍କୁଲ ପିଲାମାନେ
Okay, in that
ପ୍ରଥମ
case,
ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ସେ ଆସିକି ଡ୍ରପ୍ କରିଦଉଛି,
sir,
ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ କହିବେ? ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ କହିବେ।
Parents only.
ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ କହିବେ ସିଏ ମୋତେ ଘର କାମ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲେ ମୁଁ ଯିବି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ,
Right, sir.
will help me। ସେ ଜାଗାରେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ?
In that
ଆପଣ ନାଁ ଖାଲି ଏନରୋଲମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଗଢୁଛି କି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ପିଲା,
right, sir.
କାହିଁକି ନା ତା ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ କାମ ନ କଲେ, ବାପା ମା ଉଭୟ ଏତେ କାମ ନ କରିବେ, ସେ ପିଲାକୁ କିଏ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ପେଟକୁ କିଏ ଯୋଗେଇବ ଖାଦ୍ୟ? ସେଇ କେସ୍ରେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ଆପଣ? ଏଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜିଂ ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
Sir.
So you think over it, what will be your answer? One thing, now the disaster is a common word in all the parts of India. So as a psychologist, as a subject, and you have taken the psychology as a subject, so how will counsel the people after the post-disaster? ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଟ୍ରମା ପୋଜିସନରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କରିବେ? ଆପଣ କେମିତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଶ୍ୱାସନା ଦେବେ? ସେଠି ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିର ଦରକାର ପଡ଼ିବ।
Sir.
ଆମେମାନେ ବେଶୀ କିଛି ଫଳପ୍ରଦ କରିପାରିବୁ।
Sir.
ଯାହାର ପିଲା ହରେଇଛି, ଯାହାର ବାସ ହରେଇଛି, ଯାହାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ସେ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଅଛି, ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହି ଆଶ୍ୱାସନା ହେବ? ସେ ପାଗଳା ହେଇଯିବ ସେଠି, ସେଟା ଆହୁରି ଡେଞ୍ଜର।
Sir, first of all, we have to understand the cause, root cause, and here we can utilize Sigmund Freud's theory of psychoanalysis. We can question them, their problem, and also understand the Freudian sleep. in by talking they can say something that is that will show their inner conflict. Yeah, and we can catch that they are having some problem with that sleep. And another,
That is so theory.
sir,
Practical कौन?
practical-
Think over it. Thank you. ଭଲ ମାନେ ପାଠ ସହିତ analysis ଠିକ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ practical level ରେ ତାକୁ ଆଉ observe କରି କଣ ତାକୁ solution ଦରକାର ସେ ତାର
Sir.
ଘରେ he has suppose a lady she has lost her husband,
husband.
she has lost her children,
Sir.
she has lost her house. ଘର ବି ଲୋକ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଖି ଆଗରେ ଘରଟା ମୋର ଭୁଷୁଡ଼ି ହେଇଛି ସେଠି ବାଗଳା ହେଇଛି
Sir.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଲେଭେଲରେ କଣ କରିପାରିବେ ଅଛି ପାଠରେ ଅଛି କେମିତି କାଉନସିଲିଂ କରିବେ ଟ୍ରମା ପୋଜିସନ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ
Sir.
ଆମର ଅଛି ଡିଜାଷ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେଟା
Sir.
ଯିବେ ଆଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି
So Suprabhat, you're 100% in the list. So ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଖାଲି ମୁଁ କହିବି କି ଆଇ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଟିକେ କରୁନ
Okay, sir.
ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ 3 ଜଣ 4 ଜଣ ପ୍ୟାନେଲ ମେମ୍ବର ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଆଇ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ କରୁଥିବ ହେଲା ଫାଷ୍ଟ କରୁଥିଲ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ କରିପାରିଲାନି ନର୍ଭସ ହେଇଗଲା ନର୍ଭସ ହେଇ ଲାଷ୍ଟକୁ ହେଇଗଲା ନର୍ଭସ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇନ୍ ୟୋର ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ତମେ ଏତେ ପାଠ ପଢିଛ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଜବ୍ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଅଲରେଡି ପାଇଛ ଆଚିଭମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ପାଇଛ ଆନ୍ସର ସବୁ ପ୍ରପରଲି ଦେଲ ସୋ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ଆଇ ମିନ୍ ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ବି ୱରିଡ୍ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍
Okay, sir.
ଗୋଟେ କଥା ହେଲା ତମର ଇଏ କ'ଣ ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ କେବେ ଅଛି
15th, sir.
ଅଲ୍ ଦ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 18 ଇଜ ଦ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
Yes, sir.
ସାର୍ ଆର ଇଏଟା ଅଲ୍ ଦ ବେଷ୍ଟ 100% ଭିତରେ ପାଇବ
Thank
ଜଷ୍ଟ
very good
Thank you, sir.
you are so polite and so sure
Sir.
so we need that type of people who
In
will work
administration.
in the Odisha administration
blazer
Black
cultivate
hair.
if possible then just put a blazer
Yeah.
and try to practice from now onwards
Okay, sir.
because job ରେ ତ ଏବେ ବି ତମେ ଥିବ right
Yes, sir, ମୁଁ ଅଛି।
ମାନେ,
ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଟା ଓକେ ଅଛି କି ଅଲଗା କିଛି?
ନାଇଁ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଇଜ ଓକେ ଓନ୍ଲି ବେଲ୍ଟ ର କଲର ଟା ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ହେଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତା ଆଉ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ର କଲର ଟା ଟ୍ରାଏ କି ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ହି ରଖ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ କିମ୍ବା ଲାଇକ୍
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଏଟା ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର ଅଛି ଅଲିଭ୍ ଗ୍ରୀନ ଅଛି ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ସାର୍
ଆଉ ସାର୍ଟଟା
Shirt ଟା
ଆଇରନ୍ ହବା ଦରକାର
ସାର୍ଟ ଆଇରନ୍ ହବ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ହେଲେ ବେଷ୍ଟ
ଡ୍ୟୁଟିରୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲି ତ ଟିକେ
ସେଇ କଥା ମୁଁ